guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be doing a best friend tag. Yeah, my best friend. Her name is, okay, go ahead. Okay, let me, should I introduce you? Her name is Oluwa Pelumi, Ajoke Deborah Olaosebiko Omo Moses. So she started the question first. She asked me a question, I answer, I ask her, vice versa. Yep. This is my favorite. Anytime you see you chop now. What is my favorite color?
Blue. What is the name of my crush?
The only crush I knew was Kelechi. What is my biggest fear?
Not making it in this world.
God, I can't even take that chance.
What dream movies do I like?
I don't know the movies, but I can say like the movies you like to watch, Korean movies, anything that deals with season movies, anything that has to do with Bukumi, a Nigerian actress. Those are the three I can say. What is my best dream? Like my dream job?
To become a popular actress or popular model.
Owoni Koko, Magbagbe, don't forget, money is important.
What is my favorite TV show?
Z-Word. Anything that showing is Z-Word, I beg. I'm not lying. Anything that showing is Z-Word, because that is Z-Word on the Nickelodeon. What part of my body is my favorite?
Breast.
God, I like my breath. That. What are the 3 items I will always carry?
Your bag, your phone, your power bank. Because your battery is fake.
It's a lie. iPhone battery runs down really fast. That's why I go with my power bank. Did I watch an horror movie, action movie, or a comedy movie?
Action.
Bag.
What is my favorite inside joke?
You just a laugh. Just a laugh, the shine teeth. Everybody will start to laugh with you. What favorite memory did we share together? There are a lot though, but just choose anyone.
You went to Bali. Wow, that's fun.
That was our first trip together, like traveling all the way from Lagos to Ibadan. Honestly was that we got to our destination around what time?
After 2 midnight.
2 o'clock. Imagine.
Well, we don't know anybody. Okay, we know somebody. Lebimbe, Larambe. How long does it take me to get there?
Which can take forever. Ajoke, meet me at Jaramo by 4 o'clock. I can come 6 o'clock. What is the one thing that annoys you about me?
Money matter, but me they carry money for it.
Just like I've said, money is important. Don't play with me with money. Anything involving money, don't joke with me about it.
Between the two of us, it won't take longer to get there. Do what we're going now you.
It's you.
Now you. How? You really, I don't know front of you. I'm coming.
No. It depends on if you told me before. It's not that when you are going to church, you just tell me I'm in front of your house.
I like even if you know. I know they don't call you from our house, but I don't they come.
And I'm always ready, guy.
I'm not the ready.
If I could meet anyone at any time, who would it be? If you don't know this, so I swear you know it in the next 10 years. Mercy, I'm ready to be that lady. Anytime, any day. Mercy, if you are watching this, I would love to be any day, anytime, anywhere.
What do I think about it?
You're just thinking about your dreams. Once you want to become alive. I think what are you thinking of? I think about my future. What is the last book I read?
Sweet. Oh, jam.
Our Jam Bites.
What's my nickname?
Jockey Good Official. Jockey Good. Can see. Pack good for here, put for neck. Go the way. What picture do I have of both of us?
Plenty.
I have a lot. Now she for my gallery pass. Now she for my girlfriend. Now she for my boyfriend.
Yeah, mama said.
Mama the house, I beg.
What am I really bad at?
Singing. Because you are scared of your voice.
Yeah, I don't get my command.
Am I a spend? Wait. Do I like to spend or I like to save my money?
If the money is too plenty, she spend half, she keep half. When the money is small, she save all her money.
Don't forget, Owoni Coco.
It's my favorite animal.
She doesn't have a favorite animal.
The fear of the animal.
She's a fear. Which game do I play the most?
Game. When they use Android and Blockbuster.
Yes.
Now when they use iPhone, Candy Crush.
No.
Answer myself, I don't know. Which game do you play? Which game do you play?
This magic music district.
Yeah.
That's what I play the most when I'm listening. When I'm
Let's
listening.
game I said, Candy Crush. I thought this one way back to Candy Crush.
If she say Candy Crush, but I don't play Candy Crush, so that's a lie.
Can you describe me in one word?
You are very, 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 very lovable. She's a whole package. Your boyfriend dey try abeg. Does your best friend sing? Do I sing in the shower?
No.
Just back and come out abeg.
Which chocolate is my favorite and why?
I would have said Snickers. I'm not gonna see you buy chocolates before.
Mars.
No, like you buying it with your money. It's a lie. So sorry. But okay, if you say Max, well, I would have said
Never seen me
Snickers.
chop Mars before. That black chocolate. Who is that black chocolate?
I've seen you, but you eat Snickers when you're with me.
But still.
Oh yeah, when I be with Max with me, I eat Snickers, so that's why she eats Snickers when she eats me, so I don't know. I've ever loved the same person. Why does it?
You guys so
Ah, God, you love God, die. So we actually love God. But if it's like a normal man, be like a guy, nah.
guys too small for us.
Who guy helps him? Who guy help? So they will call the fight for guy. It doesn't happen. Which language do I enjoy speaking?
Pidgin.
And so I've watched the video so far. Now PJ at the knack. We dey pop champagne.
How old were you when you had your first kiss?
No, as in you. Yeah, don't ask now. It's not me.
Okay, yes. Oh, yes, not true. How old?
She was definitely 17. It take her time, wait.
Not serious.
I got that part. Have I ever had sex on the rooftop of the house?
Yes. No, I don't know.
Be serious now, yes or no?
I don't know. I know the photo is going to
No answer.
Even before the phone. I don't know. It might be true. I don't know now. I'm asking myself.
I can tell that fireless.
Sure we don't fight before.
Yes. When we go tablet.
Very well.
Our fight no okay, like we fight all the time, but fight and sex that's best. But this time we fought. But like a whole year we didn't talk. Yeah. So that's the end of the best friend tag. It's just like a few times. So Thank you guys for watching, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe please, and turn on your post notification. We'll try as much as possible, like I'll try as much as possible to drop a video once in a week. Yeah, because I'm a kind of busy. You guys chase the bag. YouTube is also the bag, but you know, guy, I'm fine, guy. So guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys heard us clear. Don't forget to like us. Yeah, like I beg. I'm not proud. Subscribe. If not subscribe, I'm not good chop. Thank you guys for watching. I don't feel like ending this video. I said. So guys, hope you like our outfit. Pepe them. See this girl, she's very G-Shock. She's rich. We're rich. We are rich. That you guys like that.
I need help. I know you should. Come and locate me.
Bye. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys. And you can take pizza too. Bye. Video no hungry and